So a seated stretch for spinal rotation, real simple. We want to bring, let's say we want to rotate to the left. We're going to bring the right hand to the outside of the left knee. I'll talk a little bit about why we want to do that. And we're going to bring the left hand right on the arm of the chair. If you didn't have an arm of a chair, you can just kind of wrap the elbow around the back of the chair. Or you could just let it free hang. It really doesn't need to be there, but it does if you have the ability to wrap it or hold it onto something. It can add some momentum to the stretch. Okay, so if you have an armchair, that's perfect. We're going to grab that. And then as we can see here, we're going into active spinal rotation. We want mid-spine rotation and we want neck rotation. The biggest thing here is we don't want pain. So at whatever range you feel pinching, pain in the neck and the back, you want to back off of that and just use breathing to work with your limitations, okay? But as long as it's pain-free, we can really push to our limitation here, breathe. The biggest thing we want to keep in mind is we really don't want the low back rotating. So that's why we keep the hand on the knee, is to prevent any pelvic rotation. In addition, you can also bring something to squeeze between your knees, or even bring the knees together would be fine. We just want to really limit how much motion we're getting in the low back. This is mainly for the mid back and upper back, and that allows the low back to experience some relief by focusing on the areas that do this motion. So hang out in this position, nice deep breathing, and then return back to neutral.